A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Today I come up with question number 2 of exercise number 7.2 of subject mathematics for class 10th. Dear students, the question is written as find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line passing the coordinates 4, -1 and -2, -3. So in order to solve the question, dear students, first of all, we will take the line segment whose coordinates are given. Let's have here the line segment. This is the line segment. Let it be denoted with point A and B. So point A is having coordinate 4, -1 and point B is having coordinates -2 and -3. Dear students, you have heard about the trisection. Trisection means a line segment who has 3 sections, 3 parts. Let's consider that the line segment AB that have its 3 parts. Let these parts be denoted by C and D. Dear students, in this manner we get the trisection because it has 3 parts, 1 part, 2nd part and 3rd part. So the ratio, in terms of ratio, if C is the line, if C at point C, AB line is divided in the ratios. Here AC is up to 2 and from C to B it is 1. Similarly, from A to D it is 1 and from D to B it is 2. So once we consider C as the line of division, it means AC is having 2 ratio and BC is having 1 ratio. Once we consider D as the point of division, at that very time AD is having 1 as ratio and DB is having 2 as ratio. So in order to solve, let us write it as at point C, dear students, at point C AB line segment जो है at point C, we will write it as AB line segment is divided in the ratio that is 2:1. So it means therefore m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 1. And what about x1? X1 is having 4 and y1 is having -1. X2 is having value that is -2 and y2 is having value that is equal to -3. Dear students, if we want to find the coordinates of point C, we will write it as coordinates of point C like this, point C, and we will use here the distance formula, and that formula is mx2 plus nx1 divided by the sum of the ratio that is m plus n, and then my2 plus ny1 divided by the sum of ratio that is m plus n. This is the distance formula, dear students. So we will write it as further. The coordinates of point C are equal to, we will assign them the value 2:2 plus 1:4 divided by 2 plus 1, and then we are having 2 into -3 plus 1 into -1 divided by the sum of the ratio that is 2 plus 3. So if we will solve it further, we get coordinates of point C, and that coordinates are equal to 0 and -c by 3. Dear students, in this manner we get the coordinates of point C. Similarly, we will find the coordinates of point D. Similarly, we can use here the when we take, or we will take it as when we take D as point of division. Then AB line segment will be divided, or we can say is divided in the ratio, and that ratio is equal to 1:2. So therefore we can say m is equal to 1 and n is equal to 2. In this manner we will use the value of m and n in the section formula, and we will get the coordinates of point D. Dear students, you will do it yourselves, because this is the assignment for you people, because I have already calculated the coordinates of point C. So the coordinates of point D, it is the assignment for you, and you have to calculate it yourselves. Thank you.